Okay, part 2 of my video. I just put the refractory brick back in. Say that 6 times. And so I got the new gasket in there. And one thing I wanted to tell everybody is that, so these are going on my 2nd season. And how do you know when they need to be replaced? Well, if you start to get a shape to them, it's pretty wide, you're gonna get a lot more holes downside, ash and stuff like that. So I'd say every 3 years, put a new set in there, and then keep your old ones as a spare in case one cracks. I have never had them crack on me, unless I've dropped them outside here, which I did one time, which it's a costly thing to do. But yeah, so now when I put it all back together, so one thing also is get your charging tube, put that in, make sure that lines up in the hole. Okay, that's what that hole's for. There's a post on the bottom of the charging tube. Okay, so make sure that sits in there real nice. All right, I'm gonna push the mastrol on the bottom here. And one thing I also want to share real quick is I've had a lot of comments, people saying, hey, I can't remove the channels on the side here, and it gets built up with material inside there. So I've used the chain method, which I've inserted a chain through a nylon wire through back here, nylon coated wire, and pulled the chain through like a 1/2 inch chain and worked it back and forth to pull the creosote out. One thing, once you've done that, is I've got a leaf blower and it works excellent. Or you can use gas or electric, make sure the stove is cold. And you take off your primary tube, you take your leaf blower, and you can put inside here, okay? And that will force a lot of air through that primary area. And if there's a lot of soot, creosote, debris, whatever you want to call inside your air channels, it's going to all come out. And you take out your corner pieces, you slide the corners up, okay, and that will start coming out of there. That will help your airflow. Again, you've used your boiler brush on the side here, both sides, cleaned it out, sucked it out with a vacuum, popped your back covers off, clean those areas, use a chain, and then lastly, use a leaf blower, and that will force anything through there real easily. So that's it. That's all I want to share.